Okay, I've got a 1994 Heritage Softail. The problem with this thing is that it keeps burning up the starter solenoid relay. And I guess it's a very common issue with these things, and it's a pain in the ass, really. So I'm going to show you a very simple way to bypass it with just a little push button switch. For those of you who just aren't terribly mechanically inclined, this is a simple fix, and it'll last forever. So here goes. The starter solenoid is down here where the starter's at, and it has this particular one has a green wire. Let's see if you can see in there. A green wire that you pull out. Let's see. It has a stake on, pipes in the way, right there, and pull that off of the starter solenoid. Okay, we'll take the seat off. Alright. I attached a wire to the positive terminal, okay, with a stake on. You fish that down behind the oil tank so that it comes out underneath over here. That's this black wire, okay? The black wire, and now red, I sneak down here and attach it to where I pulled the green wire off of the starter solenoid. So if you could see in there, which you probably can't, okay, take the green one out. Now I have a red with a stake on it that's going to the same spot, right? I'm not pulling the pipe off and all that nonsense. So basically now you have, I used a number 10 wire to go from my positive on my battery, okay, that's this black one, and this one going down to my relay, put in a push button switch in line with it, and it's going to sneak back here. So technically, yes, you can make the starter go when the key's in the off position, but you won't be able to drive anywhere. And you still have a wheel lock on the front, so I'm not worried about thievery or anything. But so here goes. Alright, I'm going to cut this little piece of tin that I had laying around the house, and I'm going to attach it on this bolt so that this starter push button, right, I can take it off and use the collar, and it'll attach basically right here under my seat. And get back to you in a second. Okay, here's the switch, right, hooked up to those two with a couple more stake-ons. Now it will work. See, this switch was only $8 on Amazon, rated for 60 amps. Wonderful find, because I'm tired of paying Harley Davidson prices for everything. This little rear view mirror right here, at the dealer they wanted $50 for this thing, which is out of control, at Red Rock Harley Davidson in Las Vegas. And when they handed it to me, the package came sealed with a sticker on it that said "Made in China." That's right, folks. Harley Davidson gave me a rear view mirror in a package, "Made in China" sticker on the front. So a little electrical tape to keep out some moisture, might as well. Looks pretty crude so far, but it'll look better once the seat's on and everything's put back together. Super important thing, keep all of your wires far away. Okay, you got your wires tucked back, pull them into the battery area so that there's a nice space, because it's going to get hot in there. Okay, I take it back, it's actually uglier than I thought. Nevertheless, it's only 7 o'clock in the morning here in Las Vegas, and it is about 105 degrees already. Whew. Hope this was helpful.